If you want to download the GOG installer quickly and safely, this video will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. Whether you're setting up GOG Galaxy for the first time or you just need the official installer again, this is the easiest way to get it done without guessing or clicking around. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to GOG.com. This is the official GOG website, and using the official source is always the best way to make sure you're downloading the correct installer. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top right area of the page. You should see an option for GOG Galaxy. Click that button to move to the section where the download is located. After that, you'll be taken to the GOG Galaxy page. This is where GOG provides the installer for its game launcher and library management tool. On this page, look for the download button labeled Download GOG Galaxy 2.0. Click that button to start the download process. Depending on your browser, the file may begin downloading automatically, or you may be asked to confirm the download first. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location that is easy to remember, like your downloads folder or your desktop. That way, you can find the installer quickly when it's time to run it. After the file finishes downloading, open the folder where you saved it and locate the installer file. It is usually a setup file that you can double-click to launch the installation process. When you run the installer, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. If Windows or your browser shows a security warning, make sure the file is coming from the official GOG website before continuing. That extra step helps protect your device and ensures you are installing the legitimate version of the software. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can download the GOG installer directly from the official website and get ready to use GOG Galaxy on your computer. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.